Hi guys, welcome to another video today on the CBS Automotive YouTube channel, where we'll be having a look at the stunning installation of a reversing camera into this Ford Focus. It's actually just been delivered to us direct from the manufacturer to have this fitted. It already had parking sensors, but what we've added is an extra bit of functionality of the reversing camera. Now on this particular vehicle, we've been able to integrate in the parking sensor display still on the main screen and also add in moving guidelines on the camera, making parking really easy and simple. Thank you guys for watching today's video about the installation of a reversing camera on this Ford Focus. Now if you're interested in having a similar installation done on your vehicle, don't hesitate to get in contact with our team and we'll be happy to help you out. Now if you guys have enjoyed today's video and want to see future content just like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.